18th problem, using the adjoining figure, that is the figure given, calculate the values of first one cos theta, second one tan theta, third one cosecant theta. In the given figure, ABC is a right angle triangle, keep in mind. And how much is BC? 5 units. Here also 5 units you keep. And draw CE perpendicular to AD. Construction part you are constructing. That's how you have to construct, means the CE should be parallel to AB in such a way. Draw CE perpendicular to AD. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. So ABC is one right angle triangle, DEC is another right angle triangle. So solution given ABC is a right angled triangle. So when you hear the word right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. In bracket, this is Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So here hypotenuse in triangle ABC is AC. So AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. AC they gave 13 whole square is equal to BC also they give 5 whole square, and AB they did not give. So AB square 13 13s 169, 5 5s 25 plus AB whole square. 169 minus 25 is equal to AB square. So AB square is equal to 144. We want AB. AB is equal to square root of, square goes from left to right, is square root of 144. What is that one? 12 units. 12 units. So we got AB 12 units. Write that here. Able to follow? Next one. Next one is which right angle triangle? DEC is a right angled triangle. Here AB how much we got? 12 units, means EC also 12 because parallel and equal. Now next one. So DEC is a right angle triangle. In this, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. In bracket, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Now DC square is equal to DE square plus EC square. All of you see here. DC we don't know, DE we don't know. Here 5 centimeters, here also 5, sorry not centimeters, units. 14 minus 5 is here 9 units. 9 units. So 9 units, keep in mind. So DC square is equal to 9 square plus 12 square. DC square is equal to 9 9s are 81. 12 12s are 144. If you add 225, we want DC. DC is equal to square root of 225 is equal to 15 units. So how much you got DC? 15 units right here. Now everything is known side. Whatever they ask, we are going to write. Now they are asking first bit cos theta. Cos theta means what? Adjacent side to theta. Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. So this is theta. Adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So that is equal to 12 by 13. Second one they are asking tan pi. Here pi is there. What is tan? Opposite side to pi by adjacent side to pi. Adjacent side to pi. From this side you have to see. This is opposite and this is adjacent. So EC by DC. DE. So 12 by 9. Here common table is there. 3 goes 4 times, 3 goes 3 times. So 4 by 3. Next, third one. They are asking to find cosecant phi. Cosecant phi. What is cosecant phi? Hypotenuse by opposite side to pi. Opposite side to pi. What is hypotenuse in pi? DC. And opposite to pi is EC. That is equal to DC 15, EC 12. Here also 3 table. 3 goes here 5 times, 3 goes here 4 times. So 5 by 4. How much? 5 by 4. What they asked, we got those values. 20th problem. If cos theta plus secant theta is equal to 5 by 2, find the value of cos square theta plus secant square theta. Solution given. What they gave? Just they gave cos theta plus secant theta is equal to 5 by 2. In the question itself, hint will be there. Just have left eye, right eye. Right eye will give you hint. So square you are seeing. Here cos is there, there cos square you are seeing. Here secant is there, there secant square. So squaring on both sides. What is this one? Squaring on both sides. After hearing, if you can't able to do means near base, squaring on both sides. So cos theta plus secant theta whole square is equal to 5 by 2 whole square. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. You know this formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. You have to mention the formulas, very very important. So cos square theta plus 2 into cos theta into cosecant theta plus 2 into cos theta into secant theta plus secant theta whole square is equal to 5 5s are 25, 2 2s are 4. Now all of you see, cos square theta plus 2 into 1. 1 how you got, I will explain. Plus secant square theta is equal to 25 by 4. Now I am going to explain about this 1. We have 3 formulae here. You have to learn and by heart. What are those 3 formulae? Means first one, sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. How? Reciprocal of cosecant is 1 by sine only. 1 by sine. I told you, if you learn first 3, the next 3 automatic. Sine, cos, tan. Reciprocals only cosecant, secant, cot. So reciprocal. Sine theta goes one time and you got 1 here. Second formula. Cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. How? Cos theta into 1 by cos theta. Cos theta get cancelled and we get 1. What is the third one? You can guess easily. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. These 3 are very, very important. 3 identities we have, and that is different, and this is different. So tan theta into 1 by tan theta. Tan theta get cancelled is equal to 1. So very, very important. Note those. In that, so we have written, I am not showing here, 1 by cos cancelled and we got 1. Are you able to follow? Using that formula I have inserted here. So now cos square theta plus 2 plus secant square theta is equal to 25 by 4. Now take this plus 2 from left to right, minus 2. So cos square theta plus secant square theta is equal to 25 by 4 minus 2. Plus 2 going from left to right is minus 2. Now simplify it. If you simplify it, that is equal to 4 will be the LCM, 25 as it is, minus 4 2s are 8, that is equal to 17 by 4. If you want to change into mixed fraction, you can write 4 1 by 4. So what is the value of cos square theta plus secant square theta is equal to 17 by 4. Very important formulas. Note these formulas. These are very, 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 very important. 22nd problem. If cos theta is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square, find the values of sin theta and tan theta. Solution. Given cos theta is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. What is cos theta? Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Now adjacent side to theta is 2x and hypotenuse 1 plus x square. Draw the figure and write like that. Now which is not given? Opposite side is not given. So ABC is a right angled triangle. So what if it is right angled triangle? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Who told? Means Pythagoras theorem. This is statement. Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. 1 plus x square whole square is equal to 2x whole square plus BC square. A plus B whole square formula. A square plus 2AB plus B square is equal to 2 2s are 4 x square plus BC square. Now 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2 x square plus x to the power of 4 is equal to 4x square, or otherwise bring this 4x, this plus comes minus. So minus 4x square is equal to BC square. Now simplify it. So BC square is equal to, write in order, x to the power of 4, x to the power of 4, next plus 2x square minus 4x square. So minus 2x square. Next plus 1. Plus 1. Now it is in which formula, you know? BC square is equal to, it is in x square whole square minus 2 into x square into 1 plus 1 square. A square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square. So BC square is equal to x square minus 1 whole square formula. Now square square, when powers are equal, bases are also equal. So therefore BC is equal to x square minus 1. So x square minus 1. Now what they are asking to find? First one, sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? BC. And what is hypotenuse? AC. So BC how much? We got x square minus 1. AC how much? 1 plus x square. Are you able to follow? Next one they are asking to find tan theta. Tan theta means what? Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. So BC how much? X square minus 1 and AB how much? 2x. So this is the way of finding the values.